Hello, fellow swimmers. It's summertime. You're sitting around the pool, having a great time, listening to your music on your AirPods, on the phone, chitter-chatting with your best friends. All of a sudden, you realize you have just dropped your AirPod into the swimming pool. These are Apple AirPods. These can get pretty expensive. There is a solution that I have tried and it works. I dropped my AirPod in a 5-foot swimming pool. Get yourself a prescription bottle. These moisture packs, they come in the bottle with the prescription. These moisture packets also come in a shoe box when you buy a brand new pair of shoes. I used 2. I wanted to make sure all the water was dried up from my AirPods. Put those moisture packs in the bottle along with the AirPod that fell into the swimming pool. If both of them fell in the pool, throw both of them in the bottle. Close the bottle up and just let it sit on the table, on the countertop, on the shelf for a couple of days. Close the bottle up. Nice and tight. After 4 days, open the bottle. Take your AirPods out. Put your AirPod back in the case, your charging case. You can see the green light. The AirPod has secured. It has been retrieved. I'm going to try to show you guys that again so you can see the green light without the case closing. There it is. I have active AirPods. Go ahead and charge it up like you normally would and enjoy the rest of your swim season. Happy swimming!